Hi. Like we know, machine learning is based on numbers. So there are so many calculations involved. So if some of the features have string values in that, so what we are going to do about that? So we have to find out a way in which strings can be converted into numbers, right? So let's say I have here F5 column. If I have one more column where there are strings, let's say F5 is for color. Okay, so I have a feature which is color of seed. Let's say it is red, blue, blue, red, green, and so on, right? So our seeds have colors. So what I have to do is I have to change these strings into numbers. Let's say I can do wherever there is red, I can replace it with 0. Wherever there is blue, I can place with 1. Where there is green, I can place with 2. In this manner, we will have to convert each of my string into number, right? Okay. So let me add a column color where I'm adding everything as blue, right? So if I see my df, it is something like this, where each of the value in this column will be blue. Let me replace some of them with some other color. df.iloc 0 to 4 5. So what I'm doing is, for the first 4 rows I am giving green, and for the rest of the data set it will be blue. ठीक है, तो नाउ व्हाट आई वांट इज कि जहां जहां ग्रीन लिखा है वहां वहां 0 आ जाए और जहां जहां ब्लू है वहां पे 1 आ जाए. ठीक है, फॉर दिस आई विल हैव टू क्रिएट अ फंक्शन डेफ, कुछ भी नाम दे देते हैं. लेट्स से कलर टू कलर आईडी. इट विल टेक एन इनपुट. So if input is green, return, right? And okay, else return 1. So एक सिंपल सा फंक्शन बना लिया कि अगर ग्रीन है इनपुट तो 0 रिटर्न कर दो, एल्स 1 रिटर्न कर दो. ओके, सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू इज df color is equal to df color dot apply this function. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या किया, उस कॉलम के ऊपर इस फंक्शन को अप्लाई कर दिया, तो अकॉर्डिंगली उस कॉलम की वैल्यूज सेट हो जाएंगी. नाउ इफ आई सी df, तो फर्स्ट 4 वैल्यूज आर 0 एंड रेस्ट ऑल वैल्यूज आर 1. Right? In this manner, we can convert our strings into integers.